So in this video I will present fluidized bed combustion boiler and its maintenance procedure, presented by me, Sheikh Rashid Harun, student at GPND Government Polytechnic Nanded. My branch is mechanical and roll number is 2652. So first of all we see the principle of FBC, means fluidized bed combustion. The figure indicates that the air in from the downside and some distributor plate here present, then air in and strike on distributor plate, and this distributed plate distribute the air in some provided gates, then it will throw on showing coal plus dolomite and evaporator tube, then it will be becomes the coal plus dolomite takes place the burn, and it will be blast, and feed waters will get hot, then it will be very hot, and the flue gases of hot gases will be go out from fuel gases, then steam out in evaporator tube, then ash or combustion unburnt substance particles go through the ash container. This is the principle of FBC, fluid. Then the principal explanation in this slide: the fuel and inert material like dolomite are fed on a distribution plate, and air is supplied from the bottom of distribution plate. The air is supplied at high velocity so that solid feed material remains in suspension condition during burning. The heat produced is used to heat water flowing through the tube and convert water into steam. Then SO2 formed during burning is absorbed by the dolomite and thus prevents its escape with the exhaust gases. Then the advantages of fluid-based combustion boiler. First advantages is low combustion temperature prevents the formation of nitrogen oxide, hence NOx emission are reduced. Then second advantage is due to low combustion temperatures, fouling and corrosion of tube is reduced considerably. Then third advantage is easy ash removal system. Then fourth one is the cost of coal crushing is reduced since it is not necessary to grind the coal to very final size. Then we have seen the types of FBC system: atmospheric fluidized bed combustor AFBC. Then in this system we have two types. First of all, bubbling fluidized bed combustor, then second, circulating fluidized bed combustor, and pressurized fluidized bed combustion PFBC. So first of all we have seen that atmospheric fluidized bed combustion and first type of bubbling fluidized bed combustor. In this figure show the working of FBC and type of bubbling fluidized bed combustor. So we have supply the fire of coal and limestone, then mix coal and limestone feed, then it will be burnt and supplied to the water tubes. Then the water in from the well, hot well, then water will get hot in the tubes, then the tubes are very hot, then steam is generated from the combustion of we are supplied coal and limestone and fluidizing air, then steam out and again water in from the in the hot well, then it will be again hot and converted into steam, then steam is supplied, then unburnt and ash particle will fly, ash recycle device through, then flue gases of hot is very hot, it will be reused, then it will strike on air preheater, then air preheater is again heat the flue gases and supply to intake air, and this preheated air preheat the heat and supply to preheated air. Then some of the unused gases or unused particles is goes through exhaust. Then we have to see the some main system. The fuel is burnt in the fluidized bed with low flow rate fluidization of bed material. In the fluidized bed, the particles move randomly around suspended by the gas. The gas form a large number of bubbles riddle between particles. In this type, the amount of air burned particle from the fluidized bed is small. The particles may be recycling to the combustion chamber by after separation of or collected by such as the back filters or cyclone to improve combustion efficiency. Then we have seen the second type of AFDC, circulating fluidized combustor. In this figure show the figure of atmospheric circulating bed combustor. See the some working of this combustor. Fuel and limestone feed ports are provided the burnt, and this is goes through the pipe in this port. Then the bottom ash collar is to gain the ash from the unburnt gases or unburnt material. Then bed material are present here. Then the bottom ash cooler fan is the supply the air and the gas fuel burnt, and water valves will get through the goes to the hot. Then drum is provided here. The combustor will help with air and fuel. It will be combust. Then it will goes through the pipes in the hot cyclone or U-beam system. Then it will be again it will be combust, and the loop seal fan will evaporate the system and passes the convection pass. Then it will be tubular air heater. Then it will be two air fan provided, primary air fan and secondary air fan. Then the tubular air heater used of air fans, then the cool and goes to fabric filter. Then it will be flow the strike and goes an ID fan and then stack. So energy saver. Then unused particle of gas and ash will goes through the fly ash. Then we have seen to pressurized for fluidized bed combustion boiler, PFBC. In the figure C, the in turbocharger arrangements. Figure combustion gas from the PEBC, pressurized fluidized bed combustion boiler, is cooled to approximately 394 degrees Celsius and is used to drive a gas turbine. The gas turbine drives an air compressor and there is a little, if any, net gas turbine output. Electricity is produced by a turbine generator driven by steam generated in the PFBC, pressurized fluidized bed combustion boiler. Then we have to see in the maintenance procedure. It is a very important thing of any component. Maintenance procedure. So first of all, we see the daily maintenance of this boiler. Check feed water quality first. Second, give blow down at regular intervals, approximately twice in a day or shift. Third, blow down the Mowbray level switch and gauge glass. Fourth, clean the gauge glass externally. Fifth, clean the fuel filters and strainers. Sixth, drain slightly the oil line bucket filter. 7 is nozzle cleaning. Then second maintenance is weekly maintenance. First, check the working of low level and extra low level alarm by reducing the water level. Second, ensure proper lubrication of all moving parts. Third is clean the flame sensor and viewing glasses. Fourth is check the condition of door seals. Fifth, check that there are no variation in the fuel pressure as compared with that at commissioning time. Then monthly maintenance. First of all, clean electrical contacts of all relays and tighten loose connections if any. Rough emery paper should not be used for cleaning contacts. Second, check water pump, gaskets and non-return valve. Third is lubricate the modulation motor linkages. Fourth is clean the burner, nozzle and ignition electrodes. Fifth is check and clean if necessary the furnace. And thank you for watching this video, and we have to get some knowledge about FBC, fluidized combustion boiler, then maintenance of this boiler, then working principle and figure show. What is the figure show in this video we have to see. So thank you.